Right guys, it'd be nice to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch flashing red light. Right, so we're gonna have to diagnose it and repair it and see what's going on with this. Right now, at this moment in time, I ain't got a clue why it's doing that. So we're gonna open the panel up and then we're gonna reset it and see at what stage it trips out at. Right, I got the front panel open and that screw there, and it belongs there, and I'm gonna open that case up as well, and then we're gonna move on. Then I'm gonna reset it.
So we might stay positive.
Alright, take that off. Let's put that here. So, right, let's see what's going on with it. Any suggestions at the moment? Right, so I can't think of anything right now. Could be anything. Just stripping here. Could be a fan seized. Could be anything, man. Right, let's. That's me resetting it. Let's try and center heating it. The ball. It just goes, sparks about three sparks and it goes into lockout. It doesn't even get a chance to, it's supposed to spark about 5-10 seconds or longer. So unfortunately the gas valve's gone, no, the circuit board's gone amiss. So we go. So guys, I've checked the board out. Well, I didn't check it out. There was nothing to check out anyway. What I done right, I looked at. I looked at the water pressure switch. You can see here that the water pressure switch is linked out, and the connection I made on the oven is that. So now the boiler is fired up. That's right. The boiler is fired up, and the conclusion is this baby needs to be changed. Okay, now I'm going to give the price to the homeowner, and it's up to him what he wants to do now. So guys, I put it back together, and it's fired up. Right, it's fired up. So I might carry on working for about a couple of more weeks. He wants to change the boiler in a couple of weeks. He's got a grant. He's got a grant for the boiler, and he doesn't want to spend any money on it now. So if whatever long he works, great. If he doesn't,
Yeah, fair play, mate.
so he also needs a he also needs a new expansion rest, probably most likely as well. So that's it. I've got it going for him. Right guys, if you got a broken down boiler, Birmingham, South Birmingham, or the surrounding area, we repair all your favorite boilers. So give us a call. But this one, we got it going. It's a temporary repair. The man wants to change his boiler in a couple of weeks, so we got it going for him for now. So till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Right guys, I've just done that Worcester-Bosch. It was a junior and it was a very old boiler. Anyway, I thought the circuit board was gone on there, but I phoned up the technical and they said no, it's not. We don't think it's a circuit board, but they didn't say we don't think. Anyway, they said to me, Joe, we think we check the pressure switch out, or the overheat stat. Link one of them. Link your low pressure switch out first, and once you've done that, let's see what happens. So anyway, I linked out the low water pressure switch, and the boiler fired up. After that, I started going through a full ignition process, and it fired up and it started working fine. So I told the customer, this is the problem, this is how much it's going to cost you. Unfortunately, his budget is extremely tight, and plus he's getting a new boiler in a couple of weeks time, so he said leave it. But anyway, when I left it, put everything back together, it started working fine after that. Started working okay after that, but the pressure was on 2.5. So I said to him, listen, keep the pressure over 2 bars and it'll keep on working for you for about 2-3 weeks till you change the boiler. So I'm hoping it'll carry on working for him as long as the pressure is over 2 bars. That's fine. And if he does go into 3 bars, it's gonna drain itself out. He wanted me to link the low pressure switch out just for 2 weeks, just link it out, and now I wouldn't be. I don't think that was a good idea for me. I wasn't gonna do that, just in case the pump fails or anything like that. So I wasn't gonna do that. So that wasn't an option. But anyway, thankfully it started working out, and it's okay for him now. Otherwise, the low pressure switch, very expensive. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.